Hey, it's me, Christina, and I think we should go on a date. Alright, Teen Talkers, here it is. The exciting news, if you missed it, is that Fire is in consideration for a nomination for the 58th Annual Grammy Awards. Woo! I am so excited, and I couldn't have done it without you, my listeners, especially my Teen Talkers who are with me every single week, listening to this video blog and rooting me on every week to keep going for what I believe in. I also have some really exciting interviews and stuff going on, so stay tuned on the email list and on the webpage for when all of those will be posted. For all information about the Grammys, being up for nomination, and all of that good stuff, go to ChristinaCustodi.com/Grammy and stay tuned. What am I going to wear? You guys have to help me. Up for nomination in the 58th Annual Grammy Awards. Ah! All right, everyone, I'll talk to you next week.